So there's a lot of companies that sell saw blades on the web, but there's nobody like Sawblade.com. We have bandsaw blades, circular blades, but we also sell parts for most major bandsaws in the market. We stock millions of dollars of replacement parts. A lot of hard to find parts, a lot of parts that have been discontinued by manufacturers. Right now when you go to the website to buy the parts are about 7 to 10% less than the manufacturer's part. That's an escalating discount. So the more blades you buy, and I think if you buy $2,000 in one calendar year in saw blades, you get 27% off your parts. That is a big savings on replacement parts. The other thing that we offer is the videos on how to put the parts on the saw, a lot of how-to videos. A lot of people utilize service companies to come out and put parts in a saw. They say, well, you know, buying your parts is cheaper, but this guy over here sells me the parts to put them on. So what we decided to do was not only sell the parts at a deep discount, but provide videos, how-to videos, on how to install those parts. So basically, we're putting everything in the consumer's hands, all the tools that he needs, whether it be bandsaw blades, parts, or the know-how how to put the parts on.